All right, it's Merrick here. We got another house wash. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. That window. This whole back side. We can get it all looking brand new. I see y'all boys on the flip side. Videos on there tonight in a minute. It's already working. Literally almost ready to rinse off. Yeah. Beautiful. 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 Careful with it. We'll put it up here. Boom. Alright, y'all. Let's see what we're doing. Like, I ain't even feel the rest of that video. Like, I was gonna make an old video, but yeah, like, I'm talking about everything that could go wrong with road. But hey, you gotta let it process. You gotta fall in love with the game. I don't always go as planned. But hey, got that shit knocked out. And when I'm talking about everything went wrong, we ran out of SH. How the fuck I run out of SH? I bought this shit a boat. And then, after I ran out of the SH, right? My pressure washer ran out of gas. I'm like, alright, I got a little more gas for the rest of the job. We chilling. Go put the rest of the gas in the pressure washer. Then the motherfucking pull string break. What the fuck? But it's alright. We got a spare 2.5 pressure washer. So we had to, thug it out with that shit. But like, damn, what the fuck? Trust the process. They ain't talking about this shit though.